Oh, sorry, my sneeze pushed it. What's up, guys? If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because this video is hilarious and you don't want to miss out on content like this in the future. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notifications, and make sure you like. Thank you, and let's continue on with the video. Bro. Oh! Wow, I triple killed. Oh, I hit that pretty hard.
I was crushing your brain, bro.
Yeah, what's all this?
Brother, go home.
Man, why is my game stuttering? Oh.
Hey man,
Hey,
who'd you vote for?
the bird, the horse.
Oh. Color.
Omen
Color.
versus ice.
Wow, horse racing. I bet on the
No
picks,
one-
bro.
Hazardous. What the? What is this? Hazardous. Why?
This car's cooler.
Oh.
This car's cooler, bro. Yeah, that's right. Yo.
My car.
Yeah. Yo.
I'm walking.
My mic like fucking distorting and shit. How does it
Weave.
sound?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay,
Come
this-
here, cops.
On my.
I don't own this weapon.
What is it?
Widowmaker.
That's a character from fucking Overwatch, you dipshit.
It's called the Widowmaker, you stupid fuck.
You fucking idiot.
I think
I don't want to flex, but I got apple juice right now.
And AIDS.
Oh, Wardens.
Oh no.
Someone says you have a woes tussy.
What?
Alright, let's go.
Why? Let me in.
Let me in, ho. Ah!
Why does it say Nathan's name above Wardens?
Because I'm the alpha male, so they have to say I'm here. Shit. Man, I'm dead.
Oh my god, bro. This is why we don't let you drive, bro. You
Oh,
can't
you're
even stay
so
alive.
I wasn't
fucking
even
useless.
driving, bro. Fuck you talking about?
Man, eat this door.
Eat that ratio, bitch. I like how we didn't say anything and we both did that shit, bro.
Oh, you can't make this shit up, bro.
Goofy ass motherfucker. Move your mouse downwards so you're looking up on your car. Look, it looks like marshmallow.
Bad spot, right?
They got the whole of Denmark in the back of that truck.
What the fuck did I do to you today?
Hey, Jeff, keep her there. No, I had it so I didn't hold a button down.
We're gonna hear your chat the whole time when you're talking to chat.
Here, how about this? When I'm talking to my chat, I'll run away from you guys.
Thanks, Nathan. You're so helpful.
What? Is that... How do I? Oh!
Oh, that's Kevin Hart, bro. He did a really good joke.
Bro, homie went like that. I'm dead.
Go, yeah, that's going. And then
Taxi, stop!
Come back
He's
here.
literally following me. I'm running out of stamina. I can't avoid this fucking... The animatronics get a little bit quirky. Stop! William Martinez, are you here? Hello. Dad, there's niche going on.
Well, you gotta keep trying, bro.
There's niche going on. What do you mean keep trying? There's nothing going on. William, are you here? Oh. Oh. Okay. Michael, listen up, all right? Can you give us a sign? How... Oh, hell no! No, that thing, the thing just beat... And I was like, no, I'm out.
Go ahead, call for his name.
Wait, what's his name? What's his name? Hey guys, sorry to pause the video right here, but I just really wanted to say real quick that we are closing in very closely on 60,000 subscribers, and that is a crazy number. I want to pre-say thank you for 60k. I appreciate all of you guys. Let me know if you'd like to see anything special for 60k as a compilation or a certain type of video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and whilst you're here, make sure you do subscribe, like the video, and comment. Let me know what part was your favorite. And also, like I said, I've been streaming a lot more on my Twitch too, so make sure you go over there and check that out. But thank you guys very much. I don't want to take up any more of your time, so please enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah. Donald, are you here with us? Okay, Donald. Donald. No, no. Wait, let me take a picture of some bozos. You didn't fucking see that? Oh, fuck off and die. That chandelier was red. Right.
Hell no, man. What the?
I'll set a camera up. Oh. Ah! Linda Moore. Oh.
Yo, he's here, bro.
Yeah. I heard a whisper. Did she say yes?
I'm more daddy in the cons, bro.
Oh, you fucking... Linda, you here? That's bollocks about your name angering you. You apparently love your name being fucking said. You can't get enough of it.
Oh, fucking hell.
Go on, dude. Yes! Do it! Do it! You legend!
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Oh. Ah, no! We end up in... What was that? Sticky keys? Get off me. Bro, I'm trying to... Oh, God. What the fuck? Where'd it go? Where? Legally allowed to wear a GoPro at work? It would be dope. You cunt. My family is upstairs right now. That's why the light was on. They're all upstairs right now. That was good. You did that as I lifted my ass up to sit up as well. What's she watching? Is that Black Polo on the... I said that so fuck. Did you hear how British that was? That Black Polo. Like, I'm so sorry. It's the hand-slinging slasher from SpongeBob. Just go in there and scream, like, this is my fucking electric bill, stop it! Oh!
The panic-stricken truck drivers pull over.
What was funny about that is that the guy screamed in the video as the fart went. It sounded like he had to go at his friend for farting.
The spoon can be seen spinning wildly,
Wee.
as if being pushed by some unseen force.
Wee.
But wait.
Bro, look, Wozen's posture's over here. Look at him go.
Wait, is this the joke I made earlier? Oh, it was. I made the joke earlier.
I revived it.
Oh, he's on me.
He dead. I blew the whole fucking place up. I blew the whole fucking place up.
Fucking shit, dude.
Oh, me sitting outside my burning neighbor's house. What is this fucking sludge doing? Why is it Doja Catting?
It's literally a walking cum shot, bro. Look
Honestly, it's just a jizz.
Oh my god.
you know what TikTok I got in my head? It's been a year, daddy.
What the f?
Look at the new Markiplier going off on his own. Look at him go, dude.
What's up, everybody? My name is Markiplier.
Oh my god, he sounds like him too. What the fuck? That's crazy.